A pouch cell testing machine plays a crucial role in the development, production, and quality control of pouch-type lithium-ion batteries, helping manufacturers meet stringent performance standards and customer expectations. But testing pouch cells can present several challenges due to their unique design and characteristics. To solve this problem, Semco Infratech has come up with the new solution in the form of their world-known testing machines. Here are the 5 key advantages of this machine. Energy saving. This machine is equipped with energy-efficient features, enhancing its sustainability and reducing overall power consumption. Feedback type. This machine incorporates a feedback feature, allowing for real-time monitoring and adjustment to optimize performance and efficiency. All types of pouch cells are dedicated. The fixture adopts a quick push-clip design. Communication method. CAN Wi-Fi. Let's take a peek into how it works. Step 1. Connect the pouch cell with these fixing clips. Step 2. Now ensure that the power cables are connected in accordance with the instructions provided in the user manual. Once properly connected, proceed to power on the machine. Step 3. Connect the machine with the interfacing software. Open the software in your computer system. Analyze the result displaying on screen. So here we have explained the features, functions of our pouch cell tester. Here are the list of our satisfied clients.